The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Very good morning, fellas. Today, of course, is Wednesday, November 22nd. Last day in the room until Monday. Guys, watch crude at 76.26 for a long. Some news regarding an OPEC Plus meeting. Thank you, Deepak. Albert, Paul. Guys, good morning. So watch crude at 26 for a push to maybe 50, as high as 74. Apparently, there is a meeting going to take place on Sunday regarding cuts. So if anybody is interested in crude, that 26 area is the long. And we're trying to get above 28. I'm watching crude now. Hang on one second, guys. Yeah, crude, could get to 45, even 50. That would be a target one. In any event, guys, good morning. Today is last day in the room. NASDAQ has made a quite a bit of a move up. I'm going to show it to you guys on charts. I'll show it really quickly. I'll show you where we are on NASDAQ. This is a 60-minute. We just traded back up into this trend line, 60-minute trend line, which we broke down from yesterday into this fair value gap up here, and backed off a bit. This is a 240-minute. We broke out of this area here this morning, and we've traded, again, as much as I'm not a Fibonacci guy. And for the record, 50% retracement is not a Fibonacci number. Well, it's not a Fibonacci number. It's a Dow theory number. But in any event, we've retraced 50% of this down move. And that's where we're stuck. If we can get a clear of roughly 16,060, let's call it, we probably trade back up into this fair value gap at 93 would be my guess. So after the news, crude is kind of backing off, but that's the area you want to watch for crude. Let's see here, CL. Man, they bought 3,000 contracts in that 3-minute bar. 3,000 on that news. I would take the long if we move back up there to 26. In any event, let me read the disclaimer. There have been no bot trades today, not a single bot trade. We do have 8:30 news as well, so you may want to shut them off. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past, man, look at crude. Nope, now it's the OPEC meeting has been delayed. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for. We'll pull back here. Sorry, guys, nothing I can do. We're probably headed to 104. I mean, you can buy the breakout, but golly. Yes, next target 72. Israeli fighter jets intercepted a cruise missile. Well, there's 104. Next target 122. We're trading up into a mess though. We've got weekly and then daily resistance up here. We're at resistance level here, 110. It's pushing through. We are going to 133. 133. This bot just keeps taking freaking longs, man. We're holding 5-minute support here. Ten o'clock, we have University of Michigan consumer sentiment. Excuse me. Consumer sentiment, University of Michigan consumer sentiment in a couple hours. Is there anybody that did not make money on that trade? I mean, is there anybody? The next short is below 34. All right, let me turn this. That bot's back on. Come on, yes. Oh, we're pushing support. That's why. Look, we back tested the breakout. We broke that 15-minute support. We back tested the breakout. That goes back red. I mean, that's the place for the long. That's your long, right off that back test of the breakout. I either need less charts, more screens, or another pair of eyes. Come on, gold, get that target. NASDAQ's putting in lower lows on decreasing sell volume. Gold got target too. Sweet. NASDAQ needs to get above 35 half. 35 quarter. This swing here, that previous 5-minute swing. And it's also the opening range low. Look at buyers, guys. There's buyers everywhere. I think we're going back to 57. If we get above 36, 37, we probably go 57. There's 35. There it is. It's pushing that opening range low. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. All right. Right back to the same snotty kind of price action. Held value area low, traded to the top of that zone, and fell back. ES missed that second target by literally 2 ticks. No momentum. We probably move lower again below 27. $27 looks like the short. Maybe back down to that 14 to 17. Small sellers here, 66. Buyer just came in here. Guys, that's probably it for the day, fellas. Big up move, big down move, and now chop. It's got to break below that 17, or I mean 27 right here, that damn 240-minute support, 28. If it blows through that, it's coming back down to 17. Now we're just dinking around on low volume. It just can't get any gas. Come on, gee. On what? Oh, right back to 27. Still trying to break 27, guys. 28. If that breaks, we come 17. So if you want to, take a shot at the 27 there, 26 maybe, that's kind of where now we're just wedged in here to here. 7 handle range. It's attacked this level so many times. I believe it has to break, but right back. Come on, push. You got him. Push. You got him. There it goes. Come on. There you go. Target filled. If anybody took 27, it took like 57 whacks at it, but it got it. See you next week, Peter. Anybody take 27? Guys, my long, I really like that 985. Left 24 sellers on the bottom. We get a nice breakdown here below 12. We're coming down to yesterday's close at 990. We're going to go flat on the day. Yay, ES baby. ES bot got target 2. Is there anybody not making money? So here's where we're at for the day. The original bot finished up $1,030. 530 primarily on the NASDAQ and gold, 500 on the ES. ES is still on the bot, never had a losing day on Wednesday. It's never had a losing Wednesday. So I guess at this point, there are 3 guarantees in life: death, taxes, and the ES bot on Wednesday. Until someone figures out how to not pay taxes, doesn't die, or the ES loses money on a Wednesday. Guys, have a blessed Thanksgiving. I will see all of you on Monday. If anybody needs me, send me an email. I'll be around, and I'll get to all the emails. Okay, guys? Have a blessed day. See y'all on Monday. Thank you, Deepak. Deepak, I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to call you in a couple of minutes. I've got to fix my Thinkorswim again. I lost my leaderboard. Yeah, you know, I'm so technologically savvy.